Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a crucial topic, the 4 enemies of discipline and how to beat them. Listen, if you're anything like me, you've got big dreams, we all do. But here's the thing, dreams don't work unless you do. And the key to unlocking that doing power, it all comes down to discipline. But don't worry, this isn't about becoming some kind of self-serious robot. This is about understanding the sneaky ways our own minds can trip us up and how to take back control. Because let's be honest, sometimes the biggest obstacle between you and your goals is, well, you. We're talking procrastination, lack of motivation, distractions, all that noise that keeps you stuck. But guess what? You are stronger than those roadblocks. If you want to make your life better, easier, and actually achieve the things you want, stay tuned. I'm going to give you the tools to conquer these enemies of discipline and unleash your full potential. Are you ready? I know I am. Let's do this. Okay, let's talk about the first enemy of discipline, procrastination. We've all been there, right? That deadline looming, that project you've been putting off. And suddenly, cleaning the bathroom seems like the most important thing in the world. Procrastination is sneaky. It whispers in your ear, you've got plenty of time or you work better under pressure. But here's the truth. Procrastination is fear in disguise. It's fear of failure, fear of success, even fear of being uncomfortable. And you know what? That fear is holding you back from everything you're capable of achieving. But don't worry, I've got your back. The first step to beating procrastination is simple. Recognize it. The next time you find yourself rearranging your sock drawer instead of tackling that important task, stop and say, aha, I see you, procrastination. Now here's a little trick I learned that works wonders, the 5-second rule. No, not the one about food on the floor. This is about taking action before your brain can talk you out of it. Count down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then move. Get up. Start that project. Make that call. Don't think, just do. Another powerful tool against procrastination is breaking down big tasks into smaller, more manageable steps. That huge project can feel overwhelming, but writing the first paragraph, totally doable. Give yourself permission to start small, and you'll be amazed at how much momentum you build. Let's talk about enemy number 2, that dreaded lack of motivation. You had all the fire in the world when you set those goals, but now, poof, gone. Listen, motivation is like a fickle friend. It can come and go as it pleases, and relying solely on motivation is like building your house on sand. So how do you stay disciplined even when that initial excitement fades? It all starts with setting clear, meaningful goals. And I'm not talking about vague wishes like, I want to be successful. Get specific. What does success look like to you? What do you want to achieve and why is it important to you? Write down your goals and put them somewhere you'll see them every day. This isn't about creating pressure. It's about reminding yourself of what you're working towards. And speaking of working towards something, break those big goals down into smaller milestones. Celebrate those wins. Did you stick to your workout routine all week? Amazing. Did you finish that challenging chapter? You're a rock star. Rewarding yourself for progress, no matter how small, keeps you motivated and reinforces positive habits. Let's talk about distractions, the ninjas of discipline sabotage. In this age of constant notifications, social media, and let's be honest, adorable cat videos, it's no wonder we struggle to stay focused. Look, our brains are wired to seek novelty. Every ping, every buzz, every new email is like a little hit of dopamine. But here's the problem. Those distractions are hijacking your attention and derailing your progress. So how do you fight back? First, create a dedicated workspace. It doesn't have to be fancy, but it needs to be a place where you can focus. And when you're in that space, it's go time. Put your phone on airplane mode, close those extra tabs on your computer, and tell your family, I'm in the zone. Now, let's talk about time management. One of the most effective techniques I've found is the Pomodoro technique. Set a timer for 25 minutes and work on a single task with laser-like focus. When the timer goes off, take a 5-minute break. Repeat this cycle 4 times, then take a longer break. This simple technique can dramatically improve your focus and productivity. Let's face it, sometimes the harshest critic we face is the one in our own heads, that voice that tells you you're not good enough, smart enough, or disciplined enough. I call it the inner critic, and let me tell you, it can wreak havoc on your discipline and your dreams. Here's the thing, those negative thoughts are not facts. They're just thoughts, and you have the power to choose which ones you listen to. So how do you silence that inner critic? First, become aware of it. Start paying attention to the negative self-talk. What triggers it? When does it show up? Once you're aware of it, you can start challenging those negative thoughts. Ask yourself, is this really true? Or would I say this to a friend? Chances are the answer is no. So why are you saying it to yourself? Replace those negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Tell yourself, I am capable, I am strong, I am worthy of achieving my goals. It may feel silly at first, but trust me, it works. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Remember, beating these enemies of discipline can transform your life. Stay disciplined and keep pushing forward. You are capable of amazing things. Now go out there and crush your goals. I'm cheering for you.